Hi everyone, welcome to CKES channel. Since the launching of our channel in the Thai language, a lot of our customers and friends were asking for the English version. Therefore, here it is, our English channel. In our channel, we'll introduce you to who we are, what we do, and the core businesses of CKES. CKE&S Trading Thailand Company Limited has more than 30 years of experience in the development, production, and trading industry. Today, we will talk about greenhouses, the different parts used in the greenhouse, and tips on taking good care of your greenhouse so that it can last longer. CKES sources most of our greenhouse parts from well-known and experienced manufacturers internationally, and we assure you all our quality is among the best in the industry. That is why we provide warranties for our goods. We all know that greenhouses do not necessarily have to be made of glass. It is now made from plastic films, insect mesh, groundwood mesh, rails, and other parts. Since the trend has shifted to healthy eating, organic fruits and vegetables are in high demand. Thus, the new generation of greenhouses is the answer to it. CKES greenhouse solutions include major to medium-scale commercialized farming as well as small-scale hobby farming in the city. These greenhouses have minimal greenhouse effect, and most importantly, it does not need to use any insecticides. Fruit and vegetable grown in the greenhouse are healthier and chemical-free. That's all I would like to share for today. I'll come back again with episodes on greenhouse parts and tips. If you need more information, you can always contact us via the information printed below and above. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.